Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. For a while now, my daughter's been asking me to make an Armenian dish that she can make at home. So I was going to make something with bulgur and lamb, but there's two problems with that. One is she lives in a part of the country where they probably don't have bulgur in the supermarket. And the other thing is she is a college student on a budget, and lamb is very expensive. So instead, I've developed an Armenian-inspired Middle Eastern brown rice. This dish is inexpensive, uncomplicated, and absolutely delicious. I will put the full recipe down in the description, but here's what you'll need. 1 cup of brown rice, 2½ cups of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of butter, ½ a cup of chopped onion, 1/3 cup of dried apricots, 1 cup of pistachio nuts, the zest of a medium orange, and salt. We'll start with just chopping our onion, and you want the onion to be thin because you want it to be very soft when it cooks. Nice and small. I need a pair of onion goggles. Wow, this is a strong onion. Woo-wee! That is about ½ a cup of onions. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, that was a strong onion. Okay, now we're just going to slice up our apricots. Just thin slices. These are organic, unsulfured apricots, but you can use any kind of apricots you like. And if you prefer dates, you can use those, but it might make it a little too sweet. Okay, so now we have all our prep done. We're going to move over to the stove. Over medium heat, we're going to melt the butter. And our nuts, our apricots, and our onions. And just give them a little stir. It smells good already. Now we'll add our rice. We're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. Make sure the rice is coated with lots of that yummy, yummy butter. We'll add a little bit of our orange zest now. And when the rice feels like it's starting to stick to the bottom of the pan, that's when we're going to add our broth. So we'll just pour that in. And we'll bring this to a boil. So you increase the heat, obviously. While you're waiting for it to boil, you want to give it the occasional little stir. I'm watching the pot, and it is, in fact, boiling. You want to get a nice rolling boil. And that looks pretty good. Now I'm reducing the heat to simmer. And you need a nice tight fitting lid. My lid is not really tight. So what I'm going to do is add foil to the top. Don't burn yourself. And then put the lid on top of that. And we are going to leave this simmering for 45 minutes. When the 45 minutes are up, turn the heat off and just let it rest for 10 more minutes. Our rice has rested, and now we're going to see what she looks like inside. Smells good. Ooh, gorgeous. That is beautiful. So as our final step, I'm going to add some more zest to the top. This time I'm going to do it this way. Just fluff it up with the fork. Oh, wow. This is fantastic. It smells like my grandmother's kitchen. Yes. That's beautiful. The rice is perfectly done. You could do this with white rice, but if you do, be advised that white rice cooks a lot faster than brown rice because the grains of rice have been stripped of the bran, so they absorb water faster. Now we'll have a taste test, see if it needs anything, a little salt maybe. It's my brown rice happy dance. So good. This is an excellent side dish. If you want to make a meal out of it, you can add some cooked chicken to this. It's just so good. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber, and I would love to have you back here in my kitchen at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.